Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Microsoft Edge Offline Installer, complete guide step by step clearly. To download the Microsoft Edge Offline Installer, start by launching your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Microsoft Edge website. Look for the download section on the page. Select the option for the offline installer. You may see options for different operating systems. Choose the version that corresponds to your system. Click on the download link to begin the process. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to initiate the installation. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard. Accept the terms of the license agreement. Choose your preferred installation settings. If prompted, select your preferred language and other options. Click on the Install button to proceed. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once finished, you can open Microsoft Edge directly from the installer. Alternatively, you can find it in your Applications or Programs list. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded and installed Microsoft Edge using the offline installer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.